Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to compare Strapi versus Directus. Which headless CMS should you actually be using in 2025? So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Both Strapi and Directus are open source, headless CMS platforms. That means they give you a back end for managing content without locking you into a front end. But how they do it? Pretty different. Strapi is built with developers in mind. It's Node.js based, self hostable, and super customizable. You get full control over the API, REST, or GraphQL, and it integrates smoothly with modern stacks like Next.js or Next. It's great for teams building custom apps that need a flexible CMS behind the scenes. Directus is more data driven. It wraps a real time API around any SQL database and gives you a sleek, no code admin panel out of the box. Great for internal tools, dashboards, or projects where the database schema already exists. It's ideal when your data model is complex or already defined and you want instant CRUD without reinventing the wheel. Strapi gives you control over content, structures, and APIs. Perfect for greenfield projects or Jamstack apps. Directus shines when you need to manage existing databases or when non-devs need a powerful admin UI without touching code. If you're building a custom front end from scratch and want flexibility, go with Strapi. But if you need a smart wrapper around your SQL data and a great UI out of the box, pick Directus. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!